Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom cleaning with the DALIPER Disposable Toilet Brush. A revolutionary cleaning system that comes with 40 preloaded cleaner refills. Perfect for keeping your toilet spotless for up to 2 months in a typical household. This all-in-one kit includes a long-handled toilet wand, a convenient storage caddy, and a wall-hanging sticker for easy storage, ensuring your bathroom stays tidy and organized. The flexible cleaner head is designed to reach every nook and cranny of your toilet bowl, leaving no stain behind, whether it's on the rim, inner or outer edges, or even the barrel trough. Crafted with an ergonomic ABS handle, this brush is both sturdy and comfortable to use, making your cleaning routine a breeze. But it doesn't stop at toilets. This versatile scrubber is perfect for tackling other surfaces like bathtubs, sinks, urinals, floor drains, mop pools, wash basins, and even mirrors. So, if you're ready to upgrade your bathroom cleaning experience, the DALIPER Disposable Toilet Brush is your go-to solution for a sparkling clean home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.